showing us this noble achievement where we are celebrating the return of normalcy in Damasak and other parts of Borno State, courtesy of the leadership that is provided by my very, very able, courageous brother, the Executive Governor of Borno State, Professor Babagana Umaru Zulum, and to thank all those who helped the security agencies, President Muhammadu Buhari, the very, very resilient people of Borno State, and others who dared all odds to support the governor in reclaiming our lives, in beginning to reclaim our livelihood and lives, such that we have fully functional communities as is being done today. I'm standing in rice fields in Damasak together with His Excellency, where the people graciously, in acknowledgement of his effort, say before they commence the harvest, they will await his return from Abuja. And despite the very, very busy period that is upon all of us, particularly governors of the different political parties, APC, that is 3-4 days away from its national convention, but yet the governor's mind is with the people, and he ensured that he returned to witness this, to support the people. This is very, very commendable. This is very, very encouraging that we are expanding production even at a time when the Russia-Ukraine war is impacting on food supply and food prices. Is equally more heartwarming, because Borno supports other countries, Chad, Cameroon, Niger, as well as other states in Nigeria. So this is hope for not only Borno, but for Nigeria, West Africa, Central Africa, and many others that depend on Borno's capacity. And I believe for all of us in Nigeria, this is a happy moment, and this is the best evidence that life is coming back to normalcy. This is the best evidence that progress is being made, as the governor have always said in national life, that President Muhammadu Buhari's security efforts are paying off. Borno is becoming more secure, lives are coming back to normal and more prosperous, and there can be no better evidence than this.
Sir, your intervention.
The intervention, not mine, but the effort that Mr. President has always been making. And like I said yesterday, when the governor told me he's coming here, I requested him to come with him. And Mr. President is in the know, because I informed him, and he was very, very happy. And like I said, in addition to expansion of intervention by the Central Bank of Nigeria, we are pursuant to Mr. President's directive, the National Food Security Council is in talks with the African Development Bank to participate in the $1.7 billion emergency financing facility. We are in talks with the Afro-Exim Bank to secure more resources to expand production. We are in talks with the Islamic Development Bank, and we believe Borno will benefit substantially from all these initiatives.